we'll go ahead and move on. Let's go back to our presentation. So we know that so far. All right, so operators. The first two major operators we will be dealing with today are the single equal sign. So this operator allows for any variable to be given a value. That's why it's called the assignment operator. It assigns a value to a variable. So if we look back at our examples either here or in our code, you see here's our variables, here's the assignment equals, and here are our values. Just like we have our examples there. Now, the next one we are going to be talking about is the plus sign, which has a dual purpose in programming. It is the mathematical addition. So anytime you're doing any math, it is the exact same as we've done math before. And it is also what's called the concatenation operator. So it allows for joining various data types together into a single string. So now that we know, let's go ahead and go back to our script. All right, so let's say I want to print out my husband's information just as I did with my information here. So instead of one debug.log, I'm going to remove both of those. I'm going to do one debug.log, and I'm going to start with my husband's name is. Now, since I already have a variable with his name in it, I can use that plus sign operator. So here's the first part of the sentence. I can use the plus operator and put in s name, and then I need to add another plus sign, and I can actually hit enter here. If you have a plus sign, when you're writing out any sort of a string and you're concatenating it, you can put it on multiple lines. Alright, so my husband's name is, and then we've concatenated the variable s name, so it should put in Sean Rose. Now I can continue, and he is, I'm going to put in another plus sign, and we're going to put in an age, put in another plus sign, and then add the ending years old. Now the only thing that we're missing, even though this is on 2 lines, we still need to tell the computer where this statement stops with our semicolon. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and save, make sure the star's gone away. We're going to go back over here, stop playing, start playing, and there it is. My husband's name is Sean Rose, and he is 45 years old. And that is how you concatenate between different variables and other information, strings, data, so on and so forth. Next, you have a second exercise. and I look forward to seeing you then.